The National Math Counts competition is hosted annually, where every state sends a team of middle schoolers to compete for the top prize, which usually consists of a combination of college scholarship opportunities, tours of Washington, D.C., and meeting the president at the White House. Back in the day, I was really good at contest math problems because I was on the national championship winning team all the way back in 2001. Well, kind of. To make it on the state team, you first have to compete in school, chapter, and state-level competitions, and the top 4 from each state competition are chosen for the state team. Well, I finished 5th in the state competition, making me the alternate in case anyone got sick or couldn't make it. I trained with the team and wished them good luck on the day of the competition, and I was so proud of them when they won. Now, I haven't done any contest math since then, and I wondered, do I still have what it takes? Let's find out. I pulled up the Math Counts homepage and found a list of recent contests. I decided to try my hand at the chapter competition. Here's how it went. 3, 2, 1, go. It started out easily enough. Some basic arithmetic calculations, a couple word problems, and a few tricks here and there saw me through the first 15 or so questions. But then the problems started getting more challenging and involved. There were radicals, counting questions that were not obvious, some difficult geometry problems involving similar triangles, and a couple of questions that I really just didn't know how to solve. Eventually, I did get through all 30 questions with what I thought were reasonable answers. And I went back to check my work and went through some of the problems that I was still struggling with to come up with a great solution. But ultimately, I didn't feel too confident about the answers that I had come up with. And then time happened. Prime factored it incorrectly. When I went to score the competition, it went about as expected. The first half, I got every single problem right. But then in the second half, for the more challenging problems, I only managed 8 out of the last 15 questions. We finished with a 23 out of 30, which leaves a lot of room for improvement. I'm going to freshen up some of my skills, and next week, I'm going to try my hand at the state competition.